They say life is a trip. Or am I tripping? Not knowing where I'm going, but I'm packed. Packed in a society where the political figures pose as God, but now they use government halls as churches. Where it's illegal to pray to God unless it's terrorist season and you're draped in an American flag and just buried every and anybody you ever loved. A society baptized in discrimination. And the only reason you got that job, because that Fortune 500 company is trying to get their token quote. So yeah, they bombard you with fake friends and become fake friends, making you think you fit in, then you go and bleach your skin, turning your back on your kin. Then you up and get fired. Reason being, they say you lied on your application when you was hired. Saying, you said you was black. Now how about that? But the fact is, self is everybody's worst enemy. Hell, I know firsthand because even I'm afraid of what's in me. Whether it be God or the devil, good or bad, black or white, it won't let my soul settle. If it's the devil, look how many girls I've deceived. How many times I said I loved you with my fingers crossed and made them believe. If it's white, I can't rest until I get a 6-figure job, a house, a wife, plus a secretary, about 3 disrespectful kids that gave me credit cards and then commit suicide. If it's black, all I want to do is blame the white man for holding me back, never apply for a job, have 7 kids by 6 different women, sell drugs, get a fresh rock, smoke, leave outside. But if it's God, the world gonna be surprised. Because y'all waiting on the heavens to fall and he got a representative right before your eyes. So be careful of the words you speak, because you never know the unsettled souls that he may reach.